Right there, catch me. Alright, you're back this. Guys, I hope it look like we just come off of the bike a while ago. Am I bike, you know, but don't watch no face. Guys, we are here. We are actually in Kingston now. We're sending down the packages to our family members and friends down in rural Jamaica, the best part of Jamaica, right? Guys, as you know, we are your friendly neighborhood shipping company, right? We allow you to ship your items from overseas through us, and then we come and deliver it to your doorstep, right? If you're in Kingston and St. Andrew, you're in St. Catherine, we deliver it straight to your doorstep. But if you're outside of these regions, don't worry yourself. We still are going to be able to reach you through our exclusive partnership with Knoxford Express. So guys, your package are going to come down in AC comfort. You're going to go to the closest Knoxford Express to you, and you're going to just walk with a photo ID and pick up your package. And don't worry, you don't need no more money. You don't have to pay no more money. Just go inside Knoxford, tell them that we send you, right? And you just pick up your package. All right? We're so happy we're able to serve you. We want to serve the whole of Jamaica. And we're happy that you guys have chosen us. All of you guys outside of Kingston and St. Andrew and St. Catherine, we know so no need to ship on the item. That is why we have this exclusive partnership. So we want to get your items down to you. Anyways, may have a big TV to send down. Show them the TV for me there. Big TV. I tell you guys all the time. You can't get me back. I tell you guys all the time, don't worry yourself. We will ship the big items for you. We'll ship your TV for you. We'll ship your laptop, your smartphones. Guys, you need to sign up right now. There's a link either on the screen, write it down, or there's a link in the description box. Go ahead, click on it. Join us today. Allow us to serve you, right? Catch you guys later. Bye.